Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a plan with me in my Skinny Mini Happy Planner using AliExpress and Daiso supplies. And I'm just showing you some of the things that I will be using for today. Daiso and AliExpress are really amazing places to get budget planner supplies, and I highly recommend that you try them at least once. I often order from AliExpress and hit my Daiso regularly. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the notes area or notes section of this planner, and I'm using this little strip of loose notepad that I got from AliExpress. And I have a ton of this. I haven't used this for quite some time, and maybe that's the reason why I have a ton of this still left, even though I've had it for quite some time now. But I don't use a lot of it per page or every time I use it. I only use one at a time, so it will really last you a very long time. I'm also going to put down this sticky note from Kikike. I'm using the Believe Half Moon sticky note, and I find this really useful for spreads just to layer with if I need paper that's just colored and simple. I'm also going to go ahead and pull 3 skinny washi from my skinny washi Daiso pack. I remember finding this and loving it, and I wanted to get some more, so I had ample backup. But when I got back to Daiso, they were basically gone. I thought they had several more of these, but that wasn't true. If you find anything on Daiso that you like, I highly suggest that you grab them right away, because that place, they do not restock. Sometimes they do, like the glue tapes, they often restock those, but for washi and little things, that wasn't going to happen. So the theme for this spread is colorful bears. Now the bear sticker here that I'm cutting up, because it's just way too big, is from a pack from AliExpress that I've also had for quite some time. This is one of the better finds that I've had from AliExpress. I order a lot from there, but not all of the goodies are as good as this one. So the sticker die cuts, you need to be a little careful and read the reviews very carefully, because some of these die cuts do not have very good printing. This one does, and I really enjoy it. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little strip of paper up top next to the 2020 number, just to bring in this element from the bottom to the top of the page. I'm also going to cut up this little orange cat. So that's why I picked this paper, because there's a lot of orange in the stickers, and I wanted to find a matching color, and I picked purple. It feels a little Halloween, and I wasn't going for that. So there's going to be also a lot of pinks in this page. So I'm going to go ahead and take another strip and put it down the Friday, right? Or Saturday? Friday section, just to have a really nice border on the side. And then I'm going to layer washi on top of that as well. The washi that I'm using is actually pretty good, because it cuts up very nicely when you cut it using ruler. There are some washi that don't do that, especially the really inexpensive ones. So just be mindful. Again, if you are in Daiso, you know, they're not very expensive. And even if the washi doesn't behave as nicely as this, it doesn't matter. It's very affordable, and I'm pretty sure that you can use it for so many different craft things. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate the left side of the page, although the right side is far from done. This has many layers, and that is my suggestion or my tip if you are trying out this type of planning decoration is to layer your stickers and other decos, sticker paper, sticky notes, one at a time, like one layer at a time, so that you can see how far you want to go with the layering, because you can go all out. I'm usually like that. But as you can see here, I start very slowly and I don't layer stickers right away. So another thing that you can do is that for big box stickers like this one, if there are many different art elements, you can cut them individually so you can use them in different places of a tiny planner. So here I used the confetti bit of that box sticker and layered a pink confetti washi underneath, just so my Tuesday will have a little type of border, and I'm repeating that on the top of the Tuesday section. Although I'm not going to layer any more confetti, mainly because I lost that little strip later on, but it's not seen here. It's not obvious, but I did. I mean, there are many small stickers that get lost whenever I plan. I don't know where I put them. I don't know where they go. It just happens. So I'm again taking another strip of the paper, and this corner strip is going to go down on Thursday, and that little corner where I will also be layering, surprise, surprise, more washi. But first I'm going to put down this paper strip on Wednesday so I can finish Wednesday before I do the Thursday section. And it's just creating this little border with that little sticker at the end, and that is a very cohesive little piece. So I decided to pull in more pink, a busier pink washi, so that it has a lot more of the pastels, because I noticed that the bear and basically the entire pack has an orange that is a little too bright, whereas everything else is pastel. So I chose to emphasize the pastel instead of the neon. So the colors of this one is orange and purple, and the purple makes the orange pop for realsies, but I don't want it to pop too much. That's why I pulled this busier gingham pink washi, which is very pretty, also from Daiso. So this is another technique that you can do. You can cut your washi into tinier strips down the middle if they are too wide. So I'm just cleaning that up. And I'm going to follow that up with this Sailor brush pen. And I'm using that to make lines on the blank sections so that I have a writing guide for when I'm going to use this week. And it's worked pretty well. So there's a little white space on the corner of Saturday, and I wanted to put something on there, and I chose this brown and yellow script sticker. It says honey. For some reason, that is the one I chose. It doesn't mean anything. It's just for decoration. So I pulled this dots sticker washi, and this is one of the better finds there at Ali, because you can use this for a really long time. There's a huge amount of little dots that you can play with in this little roll. So it's rolled up like washi, but the roll is actually just wax paper, and the washi is on top. So you just pull it out. They're quite easily removed from the roll of wax paper and put them wherever you need them. So here I'm just using it as a deco, but you can also use this functionally. It comes in a ton of colors, and this is the one that I have on hand right now, and it matches my spread very nicely. So I first placed the pastel, and now I'm placing the darker colors onto the page just to balance it out. And I think that was a good idea, because initially I wanted to only do the pastels. But yeah, I like it like this, with a little bit of dark colors running through it. And that is it. That is the entire spread. And I think it went pretty well. Very colorful. Very, how do you call that? Very cute. Yeah. So you can try this out yourself. And if you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram or on social media. We are everywhere as PaperJoyPH. And thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel. We post very regularly, like at least 4 videos per week. So if you want planner inspiration, make sure to be part of our family. I'll see you soon.